simulated break in some plastic. Repair that with super glue and baking powder. File the edges first so they're nice and clean. Tape up the inside of the plastic tube, or the plastic if it's whole straight the way through. Apply some baking powder along the tube or plastic. Push it into the hole. Apply the super glue down the crack. Mix in the baking powder into the super glue. Allow to dry and sand down. Hold the plastic tube in a vise and sand down until you blend in to the rest of the tube. After sanding down the part of tubing, fine sand it. And then repaint the item. You can hand paint or spray. And it will be as strong as new virtually. Now let's respray the part and see how it looks. Part's been resprayed and it's almost as good as new.